handling unit by Trent, Josiah, and Weston. This is a picture of the air handling unit. Sequence of operation. The unit shall run when the system is switched on. The supply fan will run whenever the system is on. The controller monitors the supply air temp and maintains it based on the zone requirements. Supply air temp set point will be reset based on the zone cooling requirements as determined by the return air temp. Monitors the supply air temp and modulates the cooling coil valve to maintain the cooling set point. Cooling is enabled whenever the outdoor air is over 60 degrees Fahrenheit and when the supply fan is on. The controller monitors the return air temp and uses it as required to maintain the set point control. Hardware points, return air temperature, supply air temperature, cooling valve, supply fan status, and supply fan start-stop. This is the CAD drawing of our unit. Parts list, return air temperature sensor, supply air temperature sensor, chilled water cooling valve. This is the wiring diagram that Josiah drew on CAD. Setup, calibration, and override. Discharge and return air temp must be installed in the ductwork directly into the airstream. Install the sensors where vibration is minimized in order to avoid errors. Make sure the sensors have a firm platform to be mounted on. Calibrate the sensors with an ohm meter. Look at the manufacturer's data to verify the correct ohm readings at certain temperatures. Place sensors in an ice bath to get a second reading and verify it is correct. In the event of an override is needed, an override value must be entered into the VFD. This is the table. The chilled water valve should be installed on the return water side of the system, located close to the unit within 2 to 3 feet. Inlet and outlet size of the valve should be the same as the pipe diameters. Leave enough space around the valve so that future maintenance can be performed on it. In the event an override is needed for the valve, use the attached Allen key to open or close the valve. The valve will fail to the closed position. That's it.